In this video, I will show you how you can leverage your free time as a freelancer to create something that you earn money even with no client. I will reveal the secret how I made over $100,000 over the past 2 years with only some of my products with no effort at all. Most freelancers do the same mistake. They rely entirely on client work. Means they trade time against money. Which means if the client vanishes, the money does too. So no security, so no real freedom. Most people out there think passive income comes from doing nothing and earning money. But that's not true. Real passive income comes from front-loading a massive amount of work now when you have time to make money automatically later. For example, you can teach others. If you're a skilled freelancer and you have a primary one skill where you're good at, you can sell your knowledge, which means you can teach others what you already are capable of doing. If you know you are the best in something, why not make a course? Why not write a book? Why not create a digital product to teach others? Where somewhere out there in the world you help someone that buys your course or buys your book for 10 euros, which is nothing, and gets a tremendous amount of value from you. That's what I did. I created online courses for programming because at that time Flutter, for example, was a new framework and I was very good at it. I could build beautiful apps, so when the time came, I had no clients. So I had a month free. I had no money, I had no clients. I decided before I do nothing, I do something. And that is what I want to teach you. Before you sit at home doing nothing and waiting for a client to call, do something, create something. You will never know what grows out of this. I never expected to run one of the most successful Flutter online courses on Udemy. It was by the time the most watched, highest rated German Flutter course. And I earned a lot of money with that, like over 8,500 students or so were participating in that course, and it was sold on average between $15 and $100. Passive income while having clients later, but creating that course like a 40-hour video course, putting my knowledge out there, scripting, writing everything down, planning the videos, making the videos, updating the videos. That was a tremendous amount of work. So it is not really passive income, right? You have to work first. So it took a lot of time initially, but I had no client and I had to do something. And later on, when my career exploded and I had clients, that course was still there. And it's till this date generating money. As a freelancer, I'm speaking now as a tech freelancer, you can always sell maintenance work later on. Hey, if you, for example, create an application or software, or if you're a craftsman and you build a house, you can sell him a check if everything is correct a year later. And I myself did that for a lot of clients. I created an app for them and I said, okay, now it's on you, on your employees to let the software architecture and everything like that, it stays clean. But I can give you the option to book me for 1 or 2 days to check back on this, make a review and tell you if still everything is right. Many clients called me and many clients answered on my emails, hey, yeah, we want to book you for 1, 2, 3 days, or even one called me for 3 weeks in because the code base went out of control and we need to do refactoring. And out of this, then we did a contract which held then 3 months. So follow-up services also is a form to secure your work in the future. It is not really passive income, but it's pretty cool if a client calls you later on for 1 day of work. Also back to teaching, I did this too a lot, is offering a coaching, making a coaching offer. For example, some other freelancer out there, like I'm a successful freelancer, and some other freelancer out there like needs help building his portfolio, reviewing his website, and just someone to talk to how he should start all that. And need someone that knows the feeling and is already successful to lead them a bit. You can sell few hours of coaching. For these persons, that means the world. And you get some few hundred euros a month from some coaching hours, which like both sides profit from this. So the key takeaway from this video, leverage your time. If you have time, if you have no client at the moment, create something. Create some videos, create a blog post, create something that helps people, provide value for people, and maybe you create something that you can later on sell. If you have experience, then you can sell that experience in a digital format. This creates real passive income, and this creates real freedom as a freelancer or employee. The other things are, take care of your clients. See if you can help them in the future. What can grow out of the work you already did for them, and like catch up on them a year later. Ask them, hey, is still everything okay, or do you need work? Work is everywhere, guys. You just have to grab it. Stay inspired. Thanks for being here. Let's go on this journey together. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and stay inspired. See you in the next video.